Welcome you all once again. Now, dear student, in the case of pressure and winds, which determine the climate of country, again we are going to discuss about the wind, especially jet stream winds, which is totally determined on the basis of fluctuation in temperature, thereafter air pressure. It means apparent movement of the sun responsible for the location of jet stream during summer and winter also. As you see here, what is jet stream? The jet stream is upper air circulation. वायुमंडल के ऊपर जो हवा चलती है, स्पेशली इन ट्रोपोस्फियर. Troposphere, lowest layer of the atmosphere in which weather phenomenon take place. So in troposphere, one winds which flow from west to east direction, which is known as jet stream, as well as it's responsible for upper air circulation. Now, as you see here, during summer and during winter, what happened there? Actually, dear student, during summer, jet streams move above the Himalaya, and during winter, jet stream flow south of the Himalaya. Remember it. During winter, north of the Himalaya, the path of the jet stream, and during summer, south of the Himalaya. In the case of altitude from the sea level, which taken from the Chennai, near about 12,000 meters, height of the upper air circulation of the jet stream. Now, what about the speed of the jet stream? As you know, during the summer and winter, the location area of the jet stream will change. Similarly, during the summer and winter, the speed of the jet stream will also change. So here is written, during summer seasons, speed of the jet stream 110 km per hour, and during winters 184 km per hour. Remember it, this data. Now, what about the location? Earlier we have discussed about the locations, but here we want to show you location of the jet stream on the basis of latitudinal extent of our country. Subtropical westerly jet. Subtropical westerly jet, it means jet stream which flow during the winter seasons. Latitudinal extent of subtropical westerly jet stream is 27 degree to 30 degree north latitude. This side, in the case of tropical easterly. In the case of tropical easterly jet stream, what happened? Above 30 degree north. Above 30 degree north latitudes, during the summer seasons, tropical easterly jet stream flow from west to east direction. So these things are clear. I think you have no problem when you read given paragraph which given in your book. I will try to discuss about the same topic in next video also, because maybe the video become enlarged, and I want to clarify about the path of the jet stream. Path means not during the summer and winter, southward of the Himalaya and north of the Himalaya. Why jet stream follow zigzag path? Why not moving straight? Actually, I have shown here path in circular conditions, but real condition is what about? Actually, it's a term like this way. So we will discuss in next video in detail. I will try to give you more information regarding this topic. Thank you.